Good morning, it's Sunday the 6th of July and I'm here at the top of West Nile Street because, as you can see, I've taken the central reservation away there, and then if I zoom in, if I can, if you look at that curb, that's the curb that you use on a segregated cycle lane. So the work that's getting done on Cowcadens Road just now, they've incorporated the start of the cycle lane at the top of West Nile Street into the design. How cool is that? But I'm not out to look at West Nile Street, I'm out to look at Pitt Street. So we're going to head down there just now and have a wee look, get the drone up, see it for the sky, maybe include another few nice things around about that area. We're getting so close to completing this side of the road, and then we'll start to see the proper progress that we're wanting to see across there when the bi-directional cycle lane gets installed. Let's take a wee moment to appreciate, minus a litter, these rain gardens, because they're looking so good, so good. So the first thing I notice when I come down is, blink and you'll miss it. There's not really anything to say that there's no connection, you just got to make your own way over there. It's not continuous. Right, so let's experience what it's like to cycle on. Well, first I get up to the junction of Bath Street, I need to stop. And carry on now, back a bit of way. Give way for pedestrians there and there. Come on, give me a wave. Yes. West George Street's looking good down there. That's been included in the Avenues programme. So that Alexander Greek Thompson building is a Category A listed building. It was built in 1859 for the former United Presbyterian Church of Scotland. The tower was probably designed by church architect and assistant to Thompson, Robert Gordon Wilson. The building was used by the congregation of the Free Church of Scotland from 1971 until 2021. And is the sole survivor of the Free Church buildings that Thompson designed for Glasgow, the other two being the Caledonian Church building that featured in an earlier video and the Queen's Park United Presbyterian Church. The Queen's Park Church was bombed during World War II and was a dislocation on Langside Road. In 1998 it was listed on the World Monuments Watch by the World Monuments Fund and was listed again in 2004 and 2006. The fund helped restore the tower with help from American Express. The building was vacated in 2021 due to falling plaster inside the building and has been empty ever since. It is currently owned by Glasgow City Council. More recently it has become home to a Budlear farm, and this is a serious cause for concern. These days, even though it's surrounded by massive buildings, it still manages to command the space around it. The church sits upon a colossal plinth, signalling its importance that you should take notice. Designed as a temple, the rectangular building has 6 massive fluted Ionic columns supporting a full-width pediment across the front facade. It has a square stone tower on the east side that's decorated with classical motifs, Egyptian-style doors and an Indian dome. It draws you in, then showers you with intricate details. It's an absolute gem of a building and one that all Glaswegians should be proud of. And a bit of a mess just now. It's not getting looked after properly. Looks like we're possibly in every second sequence here. Go. So I've crossed over St Vincent Street and oh, there we go. Not too long to wait. Right, now head back up. Oh, catch the lights. Just made it. Guy's ready to knock me down. So steep. West Nile Street will be much better. Definitely getting a workout there. And then it's a hill start. Oh, a bit of wobble. That's mental. Crossing West Sauchiehall Street again. This guy's just loitering. Right. Come up to Bath Street. Let's get a... I'm still recovering from that hill. Here we go, that wasn't too long. That was on prolong. And carry on back to Sauchiehall Street. But you've just got to figure out how to get across this bit. Right, good stuff. Now we'll head down Sauchiehall Street and have a look at the junction on St George's Road where the motorway comes off. Nearly fell asleep there. Bit of protesting on there. Wonder where that came from. Well, from here it looks like the main thing they've done was get the junction opened back up. Traffic. So that's interesting, that's where you'll stop to access West Princess Street by bike. Then that'll carry up on up towards Glasgow Road. We all know that. I'm not going to bother putting the drone up here, it's a bit of a waste of time. I'll save that for when this full bit's complete. I'll head down to George V Bridge and get a drone shot of that. Let's go. I'll go the long way around. This is a wee filter for cyclists on Park Road to go into West Princess Street. And that's an accident waiting to happen. All that mud in there. Years ago, this site next to the River Kelvin was a rail yard. The space has lay vacant for some time, but recently these market stalls have popped up, and I must say I'm quite impressed to see this space getting used this way. What a great place to grab a bite tea and a coffee when in the area. I'm not going to lie, that is pretty cool use of this space. I like to see that. I spoke about this junction 2 years ago and I've still not started it. I think it's just about to start. It's actually exhausting how long some of these projects take. But I suppose you've got to get it done right. And fingers crossed that's got something to do with it. That would make me so happy. Do you do that? Thanks. So that's just a wee video. I'm just back from my holidays, having a wee scoot about, see what's changed. See what's changed since my last video. Not a lot, but it looks at it. Progress always seems too slow. Oh, look at that. Just completed and we've already had one of the bollards knocked over. We'll cross the bridge and then we'll have a look at South Portland Street. It's the same construction firm that we're working on George V Bridge. So now that they've finished that, they can continue with South Portland Street. Side. Ton of stuff still to happen here. I tried my hardest to send a text message for the old payphone that was here because I knew it was going to get ripped up. I don't even know if I put that in a video. I filmed myself here about 5 times. So, nothing really doing here. We'll head back. Cling on, wee man. Lovely. So I'm really glad that this has been completed. And how does it work for heading up to Argyle Street? Let's check that out. I would be expecting a head start. I'm going to do it from here. Got sensors. I'm wanting to head up Oswald Street towards Argyle Street. I want to see how much of a start I get before cars. Right, there we go. See that truck takes a corner. Probably going a wee bit too fast. Well, I got a good head start there. Going to go left here. It's just taking ages. Nah. Far too long it's taking. Just a massive construction site. Right, so I'm at Duke Street. That's the progress there. Nothing much happening. Still to go to the other side of the road. I think I'll end the video here, so thanks for watching and see you next time.